Coming to point, every digital marketing. So, what are the instructions and what are the mainly focus about that? These are before digital marketing. We have the two kind of marketing. One is traditional
Okay.
marketing. Second will be digital marketing. What is the different
Okay.
traditional versus digital marketing? If I am promoting one business, like I can go with the paper, TV, radio, magazines, that all belongs to for traditional market. What is the drawback? Very expensive and we don't track the report. That is the main drawback for traditional. Simple, I give the ad into the TV. So how many people
Okay.
watching my ad in TV? Can you give any report? We can't. So that is called in a digital marketing before traditional marketing. Why it is more people are interested? People interested. They can spending some amount will be in television also. They're expecting will be spending. But how many people watch properly? So that is not give the proper results. But they coming which how much time will be spending, how much people are watching everything. They can give the proper tracking will be digital marketing. That is called major four factor reach. Traditional will be limited area. Suppose if I'm stay in India, I can ad will be given paper will be only India. I can't give ad into US. Reason? Where is the local paper? I can connect with the local paper and give the ad itself. But digital marketing, we can sit in one place. We can promote your business global wise. Suppose you can go with example YouTube channel. So we can upload the video. They can watch entire global, not in the particular location. But we have to targeting particular location also will be possible onto the particular YouTube videos and particular website. Coming to targeting, target will be into traditional market, not specific. Like I can target even age people in traditional market. It's not possible. But coming to digital marketing, we can target by the age wise, gender wise, location wise. Anything will be possible. That is called digital marketing, targeting audience. That is called very specific target is possible by the right option. Price. Compared to the digital and traditional, traditional will be very expensive. If it's one column, it is charging 1 lakh, 2 lakh in paper ad. But is if you're spending for 10,000, they're reaching for more than lakh members. That is called digital marketing will be not expensive. And coming to this major important key point, ROI, returns of investment. So if I can spending some investment, I'm definitely expecting for returns. Yes or no? So that is how it is possible in traditional digital marketing. That is, we can give by the major option is called traditional and digital market option. So people more interested about the track your report and we can target specific audience, global wise target, and at all options we can use this in a particular method is called digital marketing. So digital marketing only one thing you remember. So we have to marketing anywhere. We can sit in one place. We can promote your business and we can promote your product, videos, anything possible on your particular digital marketing option. So that is the reason people, most of the people interested about the digital marketing. What is the life cycle about the digital marketing? The total life cycle will be here: organic traffic, paid marketing, and how we can go with the mobile marketing, how is the reporting format, how we can tracking for live traffic, so how we can promote your website will be top position. So they're all option. If for example, we can go for my website. When people searching for my website architect solution, it will show will be Google itself. But what I'm searching, digital marketing company Pragati Nagar. So map will be there. Next will be website also will be there. So what reason is called people searching for anyone Pragati Nagar or we can go with the option will be near Nizam page. So what are the keyword they will be searching will be here. they can show your website will be top position. That all will be organic traffic. That is called organic. Pay nothing but you can say for some pay amount, you can show your website will be top position purpose. That we can go option name is called paid marketing. There is nothing but you can pay some amount, get the leads from the Google or YouTube or mobile or display. Anything will be possible for the paid marketing. Organic the nothing but where you can promote your product, how to reaching the audience, how to increase the traffic, views, and generating leads. That all man will do for organic traffic. This totally will be manual work. That is called the work will be process will be like this. Website. The website will be utilized from the search engine, social media marketing, free and paid. Mobile apps, if is your website will be mobile app, that all will be promoting for mobile app marketing. And same thing, we can promoting for video and email marketing. Suppose if you go to your Gmail itself, in a Gmail, they can option will be two things, promotional and we can all will be here. So there will be show for anything will be here. So what are the ad will be announcing will be here. So that is benchmark, happy Oli. They will sending for email itself. So which is your login? They will be give this a particular with this kind of email advertisement. This advertisement will be given by the who by which email you are sign up. That email will be concentrate and show your ad will be particular customer. Same like we have to number of people will be create your particular ad will be here and free also. So that is called we have to use option name will be here video and email marketing. That is called your website will be extra income purpose. We can go with the offline marketing. So this is a complete life cycle about the digital marketing. Our website will be starting to ending will be here. Ending will be you can separate ending purpose. We have the option name is called offline marketing. Promotion purpose, SEO, social media, and AdWords, and we can using for video marketing, email marketing. These all platforms will be using from the digital marketing option. First of all, any digital marketing before start, there is a compulsory required information, domain and hosting purchase. For suppose if I'm starting digital marketing, so what is the main goal? My website will be top position. Any company, suppose I'm joining from so and so company. So I'm start my digital marketing career. So what are you looking? You're working 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. When your website will be top, what are the work you done by 3 months that will be eligible for the any company? So that is a kind of any before starting digital marketing. First of all, you're understanding for what is the domain and what is the hosting. How we can using free domain, free hosting, how to create a websites. That all we have to learn into the first structure of the website architecture. And mainly, what is digital marketing? Why using digital marketing? Digital marketing strategies. Who can do this course? Career opportunities and get a job industry and freelancer. These are the questions people will be running for market. This what is digital marketing? You can sit in one place. You can promote your business entire globe. No need to move any places. Suppose I'm in India, I can promote for New Jersey, New York, California, Australia, Canada, any place you will be promote sitting with one place. Why using digital marketing? Promote your business, branding, and increase your leads, sales, and you will get for more benefits. Next one, digital market strategies. That is called all will be here. That is the complete strategies. This is the properly we can use implement by the your particular strategies. Who can do this course? Who will be graduate, postgraduate, MBA student? Anybody we can do this course. Why? Any in this course, any difficulties, anything there. In this course, no coding required. Everything will be given by the trainer guidelines. You will practice, you will get the good job based on your show on your complete work performance. Here is the only one thing I remember, coding is not required. Everything will be to understanding each and every option. So developer will be, website will be adding code, you will be promotion based on requirement on digital marketing. Career opportunities. Career opportunities mainly these are, you can go with a job or online earnings, freelancer or entrepreneur. Suppose you will be first time starting your career. Job is my suggestion. After that, you self-earning. After that, you will become a freelancer. So you can get some project from the based on your requirement. You can start them and getting for more business. Next, your entrepreneur. You is the boss, the company. You can sit with your employees and work from the particular projects. So mainly, what are the things we have to discuss about that? That is the main thing will be here. And last option is called get a job industry. So anything you will be learn this particular course will be here. So there is a particular job positions, digital analyst, SEO analyst, digital marketing manager, strategist, executive, social media analyst specialist, Google Ads specialist. These all will be particular specialist you can using for particular digital marketing platform. And mainly, what are the career mainly focuses? First one is called SEO. If anybody search your keyword, when you show your website will be top position purpose, that is option name is called SEO optimizing. Next one is called mapping. After this one, your paid marketing. Something will be search, your website will show your sponsor ad. How you can show your website will be top one in the sponsor ads. That all we can learning from the your SEM that is called cost per click and pay per click. So that you will be here. Option name is called AdWords. We can do this. Here is that. So that is the mainly using for how we can using for Google AdWords, Bing ads, how we can user interaction. This ads will be happening. Everything we can understand will be a particular AdWords. Next one is called social media. So one thing remember, guys, in a social media, two important. One is called business promotion. Second will be earnings also. Earning will be nothing but you can upload any kind of videos that response. You're earning money from YouTube video, you can share it on Facebook. That video shared on your Facebook option. How you can do the monetization, how many followers required. That everything will be covered by the in the social media marketing. That mean by increase your brand awareness and business leads. This totally we can occupy for the complete option will be here. And what are the teaching everything that will be total videos are available into my particular channel. So that is the mainly focus about the your videos, mainly how we can using Canva, how we can using for social media. That all will be we can discuss each and every steps into using for through our channel. That is called each class. We can give the recording option and that will be upload on our channel and getting for idea which will be where you do the mistakes that easily we can clarify through video itself. So total life cycle will be here. How you can start organic market, how you can start for paid marketing, how you can starting for mobile apps marketing. So how is track the report analytics. So what is the daily traffic, weekly traffic, monthly traffic, live traffic? That all we can give by the reporting format. So this is a method we have to follow to this digital marketing to show your three platforms: website promotion, video promotion, app promotion. This three will be dependent by the another three option: content, image, and video. Any promotion will be major focus about the content. Content is the same, but your website showing will be along with content. Image. When you click image, my website will showing will be top. Next option will be video. When you click the video, here I'm showing for my video also will be here. That also will be correct. When you click this one, you can show your this is the my page. So you can advertise your website will be three patterns. One is content, second is image, third will be video. So follow these methods and increase your viewers, traffic, business based on your digital marketing option. That is called, this is your complete life cycle. We have to follow it. So any further question, please contact my channel.